Kia Sportage 4th Gen, Speakers Repair Procedures. Inspection and troubleshooting of the speakers. 1. Basic inspection. Loosen the screws to rule out the interference from the body trims and surrounding parts and then remove the speaker. After removing the speaker, check the sound quality of the speaker with the connector plugged in. 2. Inspection for each cause. A. Abnormal vibration. Make sure the mounting screws are properly tightened before replacing the speaker. Reinstall the speaker and check that the symptom is resolved. If the symptom does not disappear, replace the speaker with a new one. B. Noise. Check that the speaker connector is properly connected and reinstall the connector if necessary. If noises occur in the radio mode, turn to the CD player mode. If noises occur in both modes, replace the speaker with a new one. C. Poor working. Check the plus and negative speaker terminals using an ohm meter. If resistance is measured at the specified value shown below, the speaker operation is normal. If the measured resistance is different from the specified value, replace the speaker. Crash pad center speaker removal. 1. Disconnect the negative battery terminal. 2. With a flathead screwdriver, remove the photo sensor A from the center of the defrost nozzle after disconnecting the connector B. 3. Using a scraper or remover, remove the crash pad center speaker grill A. 4. Remove the crash pad center speaker A after loosening the screws. 5. Disconnect the crash pad center speaker connector A. Subwoofer speaker removal. 1. Disconnect the negative battery terminal. 2. Remove the right luggage side trim. 3. Disconnect the subwoofer speaker connector A. 4. Remove the subwoofer speaker A after loosening the bolts and nuts. Front door speaker removal. 1. Disconnect the negative battery terminal. 2. Remove the front door trim. 3. Remove the front door speaker B after disconnecting the connector A and loosening the screws. Front door tweeter speaker removal. 1. Disconnect the negative battery terminal. 2. Remove the front door trim. 3. Remove the tweeter speaker A after loosening the screws. Rear door speaker removal. 1. Disconnect the negative battery terminal. 2. Remove the rear door trim. 3. Remove the rear door speaker B after disconnecting the connector A and loosening the screws. Installation. Install speaker in reverse order of removal. Notice: make sure that the speaker connectors are plugged in properly. Check the audio system for normal operation. I hope this information is helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions.